In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best router lifts available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the router lifts list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the router lifts mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. KPXIN Router Lift 65mm Base. The KPXIN Router Lift Kit is designed for 65mm trimming machines and offers a universal fit for woodworking benches and table saws. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it provides stable support and precision for trimming, slotting, and shaping tasks. Easy to install with a strong base, it's perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professional woodworkers alike. Its customizable design ensures flexibility for various woodworking projects. Number 4. Wnew Router Table Lift System. The Wnew Router Table Lift System is engineered for precision and repeatability, making it ideal for professionals and hobbyists. With its router plate insert, it ensures quick height adjustments, accurate depth settings, and reliable operation. Built for long-term durability, this system improves efficiency in woodworking tasks like cutting, shaping, and edge finishing. It's a great choice for anyone seeking smooth and consistent router performance. Number 3. KPXIN Plunge Router Lift Base. The KPXIN Plunge Router Base is a versatile desktop support lift designed for trimming machines with 65mm diameter or 0700C models. Perfect for milling grooves and bench woodworking, it provides strong stability and easy adjustments. Its aluminum construction ensures durability while remaining lightweight. DIYers and professionals will appreciate its simple setup, reliable performance, and compatibility with multiple routers, making it a handy upgrade for any workbench. Number 2. ENJOYWOOD GD7 Pro Router Lift. The ENJOYWOOD GD7 Pro Router Lift is a premium option for 65mm and 69mm wood routers. Equipped with a precision plate and stable lift mechanism, it allows smooth, accurate height adjustments for enhanced woodworking results. Ideal for both detailed finishing and heavy-duty routing, this lift system offers durability, ease of use, and compatibility with various router models. Perfect for craftsmen who need precision, reliability, and professional-grade performance. Number 1. FNICEL Router Table Insert Lift. The FNICEL Router Table Insert Plate Set is a multifunctional router lift system built for woodworking versatility. It supports trimming, slotting, chamfering, and shaping with precision and stability. Its solid construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the insert plate makes setup easy on most workbenches. Whether for hobby woodworking or professional tasks, this lift provides reliable performance, accuracy, and adaptability for all your router-based projects.